The IEM industry spent the last 5 years convincing you that more drivers means better sound, 4 drivers, 8 drivers, 12 drivers with dedicated crossover networks just to keep everything from falling apart. And then a Romanian company walks in, drops a single 10mm driver into a titanium shell, charges $899 and says, trust us. This is the Meze ASTRU. One driver, no crossovers, no excuses. Is Meze crazy or is everybody else? Praise and first look. So let's start with what you get for $899. That's 819 pounds or 899 euros if you're outside the US. The Astra ships with a balanced 4.4mm silver-plated copper cable, a 3.5mm adapter, 5 sizes of liquid silicone ear tips, a hard protective pouch, and a soft leather carry envelope. That cable has CNC anodized aluminum hardware and a gold-plated connector. It's a complete portable listening kit out of the box. For context, the Sennheiser IE 900 costs $1,300, and the DITA Mecha matches this at $899 with a similar single-driver titanium approach. Design and build. Each ASTRU shell is CNC machined from a single block of pure titanium, then finished through a multi-stage electroplating process to get that smooth satin texture. Here's the part that got my attention. Each matched pair of shells takes up to 7 days of precision processing, 7 days for one pair. The whole thing weighs just 13.4 grams, and Meze refined the shell geometry from their Advar and Alba line rub for long-term comfort, even side sleeping comfort. Sound quality. Now here's the question everyone's asking. Can one driver actually deliver at this price? Every independent reviewer so far says yes, but with the specific personality. The ASTRU sits in warm neutral territory. Sub-bass extends deep with strong texture and rumble. The mid-bass is punchy but controlled. It's warm but it doesn't smear. And the mid-range, that's where this thing really earns its price. Vocals come through rich, natural, and emotionally present. Treble has a finely etched quality with enough shimmer to keep things lively without fatigue. Now, the honest counter. Some listeners have noticed occasional brightness in the upper treble, likely from the titanium housing. And if you're coming from a bass-heavy setup, the ASTRU prioritizes articulation over slam. It's not trying to rattle your skull, it's trying to show you what the music actually sounds like. The soundstage is genuinely impressive for a single driver IEEM. Noise cancellation. Alright, let's be clear. There is no active noise cancellation here, no ANC. This is a wired passive IEM. Isolation comes entirely from the ear tip seal. With the right tip size, you get solid passive isolation. But if you need ANC for commuting or office noise, this is not your product. Battery life. No battery, no Bluetooth, no wireless anything. You plug these in and they play. That's it. Some people call that a limitation, audiophiles call it the point. Key features. Check this out. The real story is inside the driver. That 10mm diaphragm has over 80 ultra-thin layers of gold applied through a 48-hour vacuum sputtering process. That gold is bonded to a titanium layer mounted on the peak base. It's absurdly over-engineered for a single driver, and that's exactly why it works. The gold layers damp micro vibrations that would otherwise smear transient detail at high frequencies. The titanium adds speed. The peak adds controlled compliance. Frequency response runs from 5 Hz all the way to 35 kHz. Impedance is 32 ohms with 111 dB sensitivity, so it'll play from a phone, but it really opens up with the proper DAC. Who should buy? Buy if you value coherence and musicality over analytical detail. You want a single driver IEM that can compete with multi-driver flagships at twice the price. You listen to vocal-led music, jazz, post-rock, or anything where natural timbre matters. You want titanium build quality without 4-figure pricing. Do not buy if you need wireless or ANC. You want bass that hits like a subwoofer. You're treble sensitive and titanium brightness is a deal breaker. You'd rather spend $599 on the Sennheiser IEM 600 and pocket the difference. Final verdict. So is Meze crazy? No, they're betting that one meticulously engineered driver can outperform a dozen mediocre ones. And based on every review I've seen, they're right. The ASTRU doesn't do everything, but what it does with a level of coherence that multi-driver IEEMs spend enormous engineering effort trying to fake. One driver, $899. Not crazy at all. Like and subscribe to Headphones Pro Review, and I'll catch you in the next one.